Alright, here we go again, you guys. It's 5:15 in the morning, minus 12 outside and 12 in here. Okay, so it's pretty cold outside. Obviously, you know, you can see the steam, smoke, whatever you want to call it, coming out of the exhaust pipe. But do you see that? That, my friends, is exhaust issues. Brr, you see that? It's 3:30 in the morning, and this is why I woke up. Minus 16 outside and 11 degrees in here. Freezing! It was so cold because the fire had gone completely out. So as you can see, I'm getting a good one going here. And if you can hear, I've also got the diesel heater on because I'm not messing around this time. Oh, that bird is so cute. Now I don't know where it went. It wouldn't stay still long enough for me to get a good picture. Anyway, despite the fact that it's freezing outside, I'm at least getting some good solar. Batteries are looking pretty good right now. Okay, I'll admit it's kind of pretty. And this is how you know there's rodents around. Fresh snow, fresh rodent tracks. Look, they made a heart kind of. Can you see that? It's a little bit of a deformed one, but that's so weird. Well, there's the other path. Now where's this going? Yes, I'm in Crocs. I don't know, this thing just ran in circles. I'm not really sure. I don't know where it went after this. Oh! Went over there into the woods, I guess. And then you come up here and you see bunny tracks. Somebody had a little slip on the ice. It's definitely getting worse out there. Lots of blowing snow. Yeah, snow drifts everywhere. No thanks. Not all that cold though. -4 degrees Celsius. Pretty warm in the camper here, 26. This right here is the messy side to having a wood stove in your camper. Yeah, time to refill the cradle. And here's something I don't understand. I'm pretty sure the solar panel is covered in snow. I don't know if you can see that. But it says 0.4 amps are coming in. I better go check that out because that's odd. Perfect. Looks like the wind just blew snow right over that panel. Getting a little something coming in anyway. Can't exactly say the same for those over there. It's pretty deep snowdrifts here. Same old, same old. Snow blew everywhere into the woodshed, so that's fun. Ugh. Ugh. Wow. That looks like one hell of a snotsicle. Sometimes you just have to embrace the cold. Yeah, well, I guess the snow's a little too hard for one-armed snow angels. Well, it's warm in here and cold out there. I think this is the time of the afternoon where I just take a siesta because what else is there to do? The coach is kind of loaded up with junk from stuff from my truck as well as stuff on the floor here. But I'm making do. Just, you know, work around it. Yeah, that might have to be a story for another day. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one, but I'm going to take a siesta. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Here we go, the plow's here. One of you on here told me to get plowed. Hopefully this is what you meant. I'm here all night.